I'm currently in Tignes. I just got the Merles chairlift, and I'm going to be doing bungee ride. It's my first time. I've never done that before. I have done bungee jumping before, but not with the snowboard. So this is pretty cool. New little activity for me to do. Weather conditions are not that great. It's a bit windy and overcast, but hey, it's the mountain. You get what you get. So, about to strap in and go for the jump. Let's go.
Vas-y.
C'est pas souvent qu'on a un siège pour mettre la planche.
Ça secoue un peu quand tu descends ou pas?
Non, c'est bien lisse, mais tu vois, dès que tu vas partir d'un côté, ça tend l'élastique, ça te ramène tout de suite. C'est ce qui rend le truc compliqué. Si tu le sens pas, je te descends. Si tu le sens dans le haut, on y va dans le haut.
Non, non, je veux le faire ici, c'est juste pour la propos.
Ah non, non, ça va. Ouais. Tu vas dans ça. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Shit! Oh, wow! That is crazy! Woohoo! Ah! Sorry for the swearing. This is insane. Oh, woo! Ah! Well, you do get a bit of your head speed because you're upside down. And zip line upside down. The blood is rushing through my head. Wow, this is insane. Scarier than I thought it would be. The takeoff is a bit dodgy on snowboard, it's probably easy on ski. It pulls you a bit from the thighs. Oh. Oh. Merci.
Avec grand plaisir.
That was crazy, holy shit. Woo. That wakes you up.
J'avais peur de lâcher la GoPro. Je vais pas le croire. Mais t'as pas une attache de sécu? Non.
What a thrill, what a ride. It was insane. It was so crazy. It's worth the rush. It really wakes you up. Wow. That was amazing. That was such a good adrenaline rush. That was so good. I highly recommend it. Did the bungee ride in Tignes. If you like a bit of adrenaline, it definitely, wow. It wakes you up, that's for sure. Awesome. Stoked. So happy. It's a bit stressful. It was a bit tense when I went down. I had the GoPro stick and I didn't have anything to hook it on, so my hand was pretty crisp holding onto the GoPro stick, hoping it wouldn't fall. Otherwise, goodbye GoPro. But yeah, that was nice. I don't think I was supposed to have my head upside down at the end, but yeah, it happens.